Okay, guys, we'll explain you how to dance samba correct, samba bounce. So every time, let's on example of Botafogo. Every time you get into position, you landing. Let's say it's count 8. You have a high hip and you have a very strong chest leading forward. Now from here, without changing the hip, without changing compression, immediately straight your knee on count end. So it's gonna be something like that. 8 and 8 and. Now from here you can use your pelvis, your standing leg, standing foot for the next to bring the legs through and then land here 1. Immediately after you land 1, immediately straight in your count end 1 and. So let's try to repeat. So this will be 8 and 1 and. So immediately recover. Now from here, after you did and, you can do your action on count which most of the time is 2 knee very straight, heels up, and then we'll replace this foot landing. For example, count 2, 2, and immediately 2 and recover your knee, 2 and. Now on count you're gonna use your pelvis, lift, rotate, standing leg, bring your leg through. Now on count 1, slowly roll from the pelvis, start first, then knees, then heel down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. But the trick is to actually straight your knee as soon as possible. Yes. So one more time. So we start 8 and you see if I straight my knee, my body is already more like falling even more forward. So that's very, very good. 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and, instead of like this 1 2 3 4, where this knee stay too long bent, not very good. Okay, next one, example on the whisk, basic movements. So we're here preparing 8 and 1 and recover the knee, 1 and from here bring the leg behind you, 2 and 1 and 2 and. So the recovery of the knee is very important. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it feels a little bit interrupted, but the samba rhythm is kind of have 1 2. So it will give you a good feel action. Now let's go to the volta, the same. Let's say too slow. On the slow volta we have 1 2 and straight down on knees, 3 4. And now when we do fast volta, this principle should not apply as much. We go 5 more flat, 6 7 8, but don't slow very much. 1 2 and 3 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 8. Okay, so now we understand bounce action. Bouncing, it's actually rebouncing. So we have our Botafogo, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. We have our whisk, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we have our volta, 1 2 and 3 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now let's go to stationary samba walk. Same ideas. We go 1, bend our knees, and straight the leg, and then go back, 2 and recovering the leg, 1 and straight the leg, 2 and 1 and 2 and. So from the side, 1 and you have to straight this leg, 2 immediately recover and keep this hip here. Then you can use your actions, 1 and don't stay here and do this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, the most difficult is cruzado walk. So when you walk forward and lock steps. So from here, charge your body is lifted, hip rotated. You start count 8, and from here you can use your hips contraction as much as you want. Landing, 1, immediately recovering, and 2, and 3, and 4, and yeah, one more time, sideways. Go 8 and go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and